Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use LastPass, one of the best password managers out there in 2025. Whether you are trying to stop forgetting passwords, protect your accounts, or just stay organized, this beginner-friendly tutorial has got you covered. No tech skills needed. Let's jump right in. LastPass is a secure password manager that stores your passwords in a digital vault. So you only need to remember one master password. It works on your browser, phone, tablet, anywhere you go. Now, to get started, go to lastpass.com and click get and click on buy now button, then choose your plan from here. Enter your email and create a strong master password. Confirm your email and you are in. Use a master password you can remember but no one can guess. Avoid birthdays, names, or simple phrases. Next, install the LastPass extension for Chrome or your preferred browser. Visit your browser extension store. Click Manage Extension. Then search for LastPass or go to Chrome Web Store. Now search for LastPass Password Manager free. Then select it. Click Add to Chrome. Then add extension. Wait for a few minutes. Now log in with your master password which you create earlier. Now you will see the LastPass icon in your toolbar like that. Then pin it. This is your key to everything. Let's save your first login. Go to a site like Gmail, Facebook, or Amazon. Then verify your login first. Then verify your Gmail like that. And now login login to your Gmail, Facebook, or Amazon. As usual, LastPass will ask, would you like to save this password? Click save. From now on, LastPass will autofill your login on that site. Manually add passwords by clicking the LastPass icon, then bold, then add item. Click on the LastPass icon and go to Vault. This is your central hub where all your logins, notes, credit cards, and secure information live. You can search for any site, edit saved passwords, organize with folders like work, personal, finance. To boost your security, turn on two-factor authentication. Go to account settings. From here, click multi-factor options. Like that. Choose an app like Google Authenticator. Scan the QR code and save your backup codes. Now, even if someone gets your master password, they can't access your vault without your phone. Download the LastPass app on Android or iOS, log in with your master password or use biometrics. And that's how you use LastPass in 2025 to keep your passwords safe and life a whole lot easier. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more digital tips, and comment below if you want me to compare LastPass with other managers like 1Password or Bitward. Then stay safe out there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.